In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows to lines in Canva. Whether you're labeling parts of a graphic, pointing to a feature in a mockup, or connecting steps in a flowchart, arrows help guide the viewer's eye and make your design clearer. I'll walk you through the exact controls to use so you can get consistent, professional-looking results. Start inside your Canva design and look to the left sidebar. Click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all the building blocks for your layout. From here, scroll to the Lines Shapes section, or simply use the search bar at the top and type line. Choose the basic straight line. Starting with a simple line gives you full control over the arrowheads and styling you'll add next. Place the line on your canvas, then click it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles and the top toolbar updates with line settings. Those controls are what we'll use to turn this into an arrow. In the top toolbar, click the line style icon. It looks like a set of small lines or dots and opens a panel with all the options for this line. Here's where the arrow magic happens. You'll see drop-downs labeled Line Start and Line End. Open the drop-down next to Line Start to choose how the arrow begins, and open Line End to choose how it finishes. Pick a pointed arrow for direction, a circle or square for a connector, or match both ends to create a double-headed arrow. Use a start-only arrow to indicate where something begins, or an end-only arrow to show where the viewer should look. Next, adjust the line weight slider to set the thickness. Thicker lines read better on small screens and busy backgrounds, while thinner lines feel subtle and refined. Keep the weight consistent across your design to maintain a clean, cohesive look. Finally, use the curved or elbow options to introduce bends. A curved line creates smooth, sweeping connections that feel organic, while an elbow line adds crisp right angles that work well in flowcharts and layouts with boxes. Choose the style that best fits your content structure and the overall tone of your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.